Cybersecurity is protecting sensitive information and networks from unauthorized access, theft, damage, or any other malicious intent. Importance of cybersecurity: protect sensitive data, prevent financial loss, maintain business continuity, protect critical infrastructure, power grid, transport system. People are super important for keeping things safe online. It's crucial for employees to know how to be smart online. This means being aware of cyber threats and knowing what to do if they spot one. Protecting our information is really important too. When employees lack cyber awareness, they might accidentally click on harmful links in emails, which can lead to viruses infecting the company's computer systems and stealing important information. Technology includes things like special software, strong passwords, and even hardware like firewalls. They're all there to protect our computer systems, data, and networks from bad guys trying to break in and cause trouble. So technology is like the strong foundation that holds up the walls of our cyber fortress, keeping everything secure. Policies and procedures that organizations put in place to govern how data and systems are accessed, managed, and secured. Thanks for watching.